for the Live Oak Public Library. Today I'm going to be doing a recipe using the spice of the month for December, which is ginger, and the recipe for today is ginger snaps. The recipe for today was taken from the book Christmas with Paula Deen, and you can check this out here at the Live Oak Library. The history behind ginger. The known history of ginger dates back to about 5,000 years. Its native home is debated, but its medicinal and spiritual uses were first documented in Southeast Asia, India, and China. Like many other spices, ginger was once a costly commodity. In the 14th century, a pound of ginger cost as much as one sheep. By the middle of the 16th century, Europe was receiving more than 2,000 tons of dried ginger a year from the East Indies. In the Middle Ages, ginger was used to ward off the plague, and for a while it was so popular it was placed on the table like salt and pepper. In the 19th century, it was sprinkled in beer, the source of ginger ale. Historically, ginger has been used to help alleviate all sorts of nausea, from motion sickness to morning sickness during pregnancy, and more recently, nausea following chemotherapy. Feeling chilled or you can't get your blood flowing to warm your extremities? Studies at Cornell University revealed active ingredients in ginger called gingerols help prevent abnormal blood coagulation, which helps the blood to flow freely and improves circulation. This also explains why in Eastern medicine, ginger has been used as a libido stimulant for centuries. The ingredients you will need for today's recipe are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of canola oil, 1/4 of a cup of unsulfured molasses, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, or as needed to roll the ginger cookies in. So I've pre-measured most of my ingredients, and we're going to mix the flour, sugar. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the bowl. The 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, all-purpose. The ginger, 1 teaspoon of ginger, that's a 1/2 teaspoon measurement. A teaspoon of cinnamon, salt, which I've already put in here, and then the oil and molasses. Got the oil in here already. Pour the molasses in. Put these in our mixing bowl, and then we're going to mix this together. All the ingredients stick together. This will be kind of thick until it mixes together, but you want it to be that way so that you can handle the dough. Mix that real well. All right. I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350. So after we've mixed our dough and we put it in the refrigerator and chill it for an hour so you can handle it, then you're going to scoop like a 1 teaspoon scoop of dough into your palm, and then roll it in a ball. And then the extra sugar that you have for the recipe, you roll the cookie around in and place that on your cooking sheet. You can use parchment paper if you want to, or you can grease the pan, it doesn't matter. And then place roll out all of your cookies, place them on the pan, and then we're going to bake these at 350 for about 7 to 8 minutes. So after you cool your cookies on a pan for about 10 minutes, then you take them up and put them on your plate. And there you are. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you look for more from the Suwannee River Regional Library in the future.